What's for lunch?
What's for lunch?
I like rice and dal.
I like rice and dal.
This is yummy.
This is yummy.
I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Please give me some more.
Please give me some more.
I'm done eating.
I'm done eating.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Don't talk while eating.
Don't talk while eating.
Chew your food properly.
Chew your food properly.
Please clean the table.
Please clean the table. Good habits.
Say sorry when you make a mistake.
Say sorry when you make a mistake.
Share your toys.
Share your toys.
Always tell the truth.
Always tell the truth.
Be kind to everyone.
Be kind to everyone.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
Keep your room clean.
Keep your room clean.
Do your homework on time.
Do your homework on time.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Respect elders.
Respect elders.
Always say thank you.
Always say thank you. Going out.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Don't cross the road alone.
Don't cross the road alone.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
I had fun today.
I had fun today.
Can we go again tomorrow?
Can we go again tomorrow?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Expressing feelings.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm angry.
I'm angry.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
It's okay.
It's okay. Motivational sentences.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I'll try my best.
I'll try my best.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
I'm proud of myself.
I'm proud of myself.